In today's video, we are diving into something most content creators are facing, which is bad audio. So if your content, or if you ever filmed a video and at the end of you filming that video, you notice that the video sound more of a noise than a clear communication, you just need to stick around to the end of this video, which I'm going to show you how you can actually fix bad audio on your video. Let's just head straight to the point. Let's start with the basics. One of the most common causes of noise in your video is the background. When I'm talking about a background, this could be anything from wind, traffic, keyboard clicks, and fan. Remember what a noise is, right? Whenever there's supposed to be a serene environment and there's a stop of disturbances, in that place is noise. Okay, irrespective of how you contacted this noise in your video, the good news is that there are ways in which you can maximize your video to sound more professional by removing this noise. And one of the most software I'm going to make use of is CapCut. You can use different editing software to remove noise from your video, but the one I love using and the one I use in editing of my videos is CapCut. So I'm just going to edit straight to my CapCut app to show you how you can actually remove noise from your video and make it look more professional and more crispy. All right, so let me take it to the other side of my screen. But if you are this time you've not liked this video, guys, please like and subscribe and share and drop a comment so that the YouTube algorithm will actually push it out. Okay, let's get started.
You go to your CapCut and let's assume you've already imported the video you want to work on, right? So let me play this video for you to see how those videos sound, and after I'm done doing all of those things, and you're going to see how the video is going to sound. Like, let's just see before and after of this video.
If you have an iPhone, I am still shooting low quality videos in 2025. Girl, guy, you are missing out on this update.
Have you guys actually see the way this video is sounding? Okay, let's make this video sound more crisp and professional, right? So what you just need to do, just to click to highlight the video, just keep on scrolling to your left till where you see guys, let's take it easy. All right, so to where you see there's one feature that is actually a game changer, right? I think I passed it before, but let's take it. Okay, you can see this isolate voice. You click on it, keep voice. Sorry, I off my data, let me on it. You click on keep voice and wait for it to actually apply the vocal, right? So after we are done with removing the noise, let's play the video and compare the sound to how it sounded before and tell me what you actually notice.
If you have an iPhone, I am still shooting low quality videos in 2025. Girl, guy, you are missing out on.
Did you notice any change on this video? This is how you can actually remove the background noise from your video. Alright, so if you actually want to even do it more touching, you can actually come ahead to enhance voice to actually improve the voice quality. Now that I'm looking for something, everything you can actually come to this enhance voice to enhance your voice. You just toggle it on and you just wait for the voice to be enhanced and compare it to what you have already, and that is that for that. After everything, just go ahead to export your video.
So after showing you how you can actually remove noise from your video, there are common prevention tips that you actually need to adapt each time you want to film a video. Number one is from your microphone. There are some microphones that when you use them filmed in a noisy environment, it's not gonna detect the noise in the video. I don't know if you have ever seen a mic like that. Like this my mic now. I'm actually filming a video and there's fan blowing, but I don't think you can actually hear the sound of the fan in the video, because sometimes I think that this mic do away with the noises in the background. So that's one of the prevention tips in order for you to prevent this noise from entering your video. Number one is the kind of mic you're actually using to film your video. And after that being said, the second thing is for you to record in a quiet environment. You need to look for a place that is quiet, there is no noise, like nothing is making noise, there's no echoing anywhere, and you make sure you film your or record your video there. Then the next one is for you to monitor your audio. You can use something like headphone while recording to hear what is actually being captured. So guys, if you actually find all those tips helpful, please do well to like, do well to subscribe, do well to drop a comment. Let me know if you actually find this video helpful and if it actually help you to reduce some noise in your background. Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.